You'll notice the first stroke is sort of an arc, and this is it's like a gray, it's not black. Now my second touch is going to be a small, almost like a cap or an arch over the top of that. This is much darker. This is much darker. I'm trying to create a wraparound, not a full oval, but a partial oval. I love this effect, placing the dark water drop right over the blurry bright background. From a distance, it's going to make the light look like it's bending or twisting through the water drop. So now, one at a time, I'm going to do each one of these. Small arches. Some of these water droplets look good enough just the way they are, but the next part, to add the paint at the bottom of the oval, it's opaque white with a little bit of glaze, or like an acrylic extender, so it's not totally white, it's like a semi-transparent white. I think this part's the most fun. I always hesitate to use pure white, but I noticed from my reference photo that there was a little white dot, like a highlight, in each of these water drops. So we'll do a time lapse. I'm going to put a small highlight drop on each one.